Guys, welcome to Web Designing HTML CSS course. My name is Vaseem and today we are going to start our lecture number 25. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. As you know, in the last lecture we was trying to put this video in the index.html page, and here you can see there is no margin between this video and the paragraph. So how we can put the margin? Let me tell you this thing, as this is the class that we have created for the video. So because I need the margin in the video, so here in this class I will put margin 20 pixel. So what it means that if I'm going to write here margin 20 pixel, it will apply all over the video, like right, left, top, bottom 20 pixel. I will save this style.css and I will refresh my browser. Here you can see the margin is created from all over the video, but here you can see that if I want this video in the top line with this paragraph, so that will be looks good. So what I will do is, first of all, I will remove the margin of the top. How I can remove the margin of the top? Here you can see, let's say this is the 20 pixel margin. I will put it to 10 pixel first. Let me show you this thing first. Here you can see 10 pixel margin is looking good. Now how I will remove the top margin? For this purpose, as I have told you that we can do what? I will write here 0 pixel, 10 pixel and 10 pixel. Now I will explain you this thing. As I have told you in my last lectures, whenever you are going to write the margin or padding values like this, then we will consider these values like clockwise. Clockwise mean, first of all, we will consider this value 0 pixel as top, right, bottom, and this one is the left. So 0 pixel is for the top, 10 pixel is for the right, and 10 pixel for the bottom, and the 10 pixel for the left side. Now I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the top margin is 0. Now why this video is not top aligned with this paragraph? Because we have put the height for this video. So what I will do is, in the index.html, I will change the video tag height, like I will write here 180. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the video is upward. Now I will write here 170. I will save this and refresh my browser. Here you can see the video is top aligned with the paragraph, which is looking very good. So in this way you can create and write and put the video of any company on the index.html page. Now what I want to do is, I want to write here some audio, as if you are going to create the website for the music company, then how you can put the audio songs or some audio here which can be downloaded by the user. Now for this purpose, after this div, I will create one more div. Whenever we are going to start a new work, then we will create a div. Now for the audio, there is one tag which is called audio tag, audio opening and audio closing tag. Here you can see. Now in between I have to write the audio source, audio path. So for this purpose, before doing this, in my folder, this is my website folder where we are going to save all the files and folders of the website. We will create one audio folder, as I have created this folder audio, right? And I will put one music file or any mp3 file in this audio folder. Any audio file, this is audio file, right? So I have downloaded one audio file. I will paste it here. So now my audio folder has one audio file. Now what I will do is, in the audio tag I will write source and I will choose the path. As you know, this is our audio folder. I will click on it. I will select this audio. I will save this, refresh my browser, but I will not able to see anything here. Why? Because we have to put here HTML5 attribute if I want to see my audio. For this purpose, the HTML5 attribute is controls. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the audio file is showing here. It has volume control attribute, the timer, and the play and stop button, right? Now I will write here a download link. How I can put the download link in this video? I will write here download right now. Because this is the link, so it should be in between anchor tag, as I have told you in the last lectures that whenever you are going to clickable link, then you will write that link in the anchor tag. In the anchor tag, the property is you have to write here hyperreference, and here what I will do is I will copy this source path where we have saved this audio in this hyperreference. I will save this. Right now you can see the download link is here, but whenever I am going to click on this link, it will not download this video, right? So for this purpose, what I will do is I will write here HTML5 attribute which is called download. I will save this, refresh my browser. Whenever I'm going to click on this download button, here you can see it will ask me where I want to save. I will click on OK. Here you can see this is save here, right? This is what I have saved earlier. Now if you are not going to write the download here, then whenever you are going to click on download button, you will be on new tab. Here a new tab will open with this song. So why I'm not going to play this and this video, because if I will play this, then my software will not continue with my voice. Now you can see we have completed our HTML and CSS series. Here you can see our home page. If you are working with any company, then you can write here introduction. If you want to show the video of any academic schools or some construction projects, so you can show the videos like this on any page, on front page. If you are going to create some music company website, then how you can put the music in the website. In this way you can put more and more music series, and also you are able to download the audio or video like this. You can also download the videos, and you can download the songs. Right now this is for the home page. The gallery page also you are able to create. I have told you in my last lectures. This is our about page. You can see where we can represent our team. This is the registration form that we have created. So this is the contact form, right? Now you can see here all the HTML pages are complete. So this HTML CSS website is complete with the design. Now if you are going to study these HTML CSS lecture series with passion, then definitely you will be able to create any website in the HTML and CSS. Hope you will understand everything. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Now our HTML CSS series is complete. Thank you so much.